Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall and reinstall calculator app on your Windows computer. Now to uninstall it, you can open Windows settings. Now once you open settings, go to apps. If you have Windows 11, click on installed app. If you have Windows 10, you might see app and features. So click on app and features or click on installed apps and find calculator in the list. So in the search option, you can type in calculator over here. Now once you type in calculator over here, you can see calculator. In Windows 10, simply click on it and then you will see advanced option. In Windows 11, click on these three dots and then click on advanced option. Scroll down at the end here, you can see the uninstall option. Click on uninstall to uninstall it. Now if you want to reinstall calculator, in that case go to Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store on your computer, and in the search box type in calculator over here. Over here you can see Windows calculator, click on it, and over here you will see the get option or install option. So this is how you can uninstall and reinstall from. In settings you can uninstall it from apps and then you can reinstall it from Microsoft Store. There is another way to uninstall and reinstall using the PowerShell command. For this, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you always open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now, right now I have calculator installed on my computer. It's there. Now, if you want to uninstall it, you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description, and in PowerShell, you have to paste the command over here. Hit the enter. This will uninstall calculator. So now, if I type in calculator, calculator is missing over here. Now, to reinstall Windows calculator, copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click and then click on Run as Administrator. Always open PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow and then paste the second command over here. Hit the enter key and this will reinstall Windows calculator. Now you can type in calculator in Windows search box and you will see calculator. So this is how you can uninstall and reinstall calculator in your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.